marbled cracked effect on a bottle using enamel paint. I'm going to use two colors, white and black, for this. Two different bottles which I've already done. After the first coat, allowed it to dry, then I applied the second coat and allowed to dry for both the bottles. Now I have to use the enamel paint again. Now it's dry, so I'll be using the black enamel again on the bottle. Now it's wet, and on this, on black, I will use a white acrylic. I'll take it in a bowl and I'll use a brush, other brush, and while it's wet, I'll start coloring it with white acrylic. This is acrylic on enamel. We'll see that it will start giving cracked effect. So I'll keep this here till now. I am using white enamel as we need a wet surface before I will apply black acrylic on this. So now I'll use a black acrylic on the white. And if I use little water, it will give a little thinner cracks. So just mix it with water. I'll allow this to dry. These two bottles are also dry after 2 coats of enamel paint. I am again using black enamel as I'll be needing a wet surface before I apply white acrylic on it. This time I'll be using a thicker brush to use white acrylic. The result will be we will get thicker crackles. Here again I am using white enamel before I use black acrylic with a thicker brush for a thicker crackle. So depending on the size of the brush and the paint consistency, we will get different crackle designs. Here I have used green acrylic on white enamel and golden acrylic on black enamel. So you can choose any color you want, whether it is enamel or acrylic. Since the base of both the paints are different, for enamel it is oil and for acrylic it is water based. So when we put the acrylic on enamel, and since they are not compatible, it'll give us this marble cracked effect on the bottle. I hope you liked my video. Do tune in again. I'll come back with another interesting video. Till then, bye-bye, take care, and I love you all.